This is just a quick one today to show you how to do a front post treble crochet into a row of double crochet. It's written in the stars shawl pattern, and a couple of people weren't sure what to do with it, so I want to show you just how simple it really is. It's no different to working into any other row. It might be a bit more fiddly, but it's actually quite easy to do still. So basically I've chained one to get onto the next row. I've done a row of double crochet already. All you're doing, if you go on the first one there, you're just working straight under the top V stitch, look, that's it, and around that little tiny post. So yarn round, pull through, yarn round, pull through 2 on your hook, yarn round, pull through 2 again. Okay, and yarn round, and then if you stretch your work slightly, it really helps you see where you are. So if you look, you've got your 2 V's for either side of that post. So you're just going in, going back through like that. Yarn round, pull through, yarn round, pull through. And again, if you stretch your work slightly to the side as you go, you can see really clearly where you need to place your hook. So you're going in that way, through that way, literally just underneath those V's, under that short little post there. Yarn round, pull through, yarn round, that one, pull through 2, yarn round, pull through 2. And again, stretch your work so you can see under that V, back through that V, you're going behind the little post there. So you're pushing that post to the front, and that is your front post treble. So again, just stretch it so you can see what you're doing. Under that one, back through that one, yarn round, pull it through, yarn round, pull through 2, yarn round, pull through 2. And again, in, to the back, round, back to the front. Yarn round, pull through, yarn round, pull through 2, yarn round, pull through 2. And turn it over, and there you've got your ribbon from your front post crochet. But it really is just the same as working a front post crochet treble into any other row.